right, Ashton, what are we doing here?
Speedometer cable replacement.
Because
the person behind the camera broke it.
Listen, man, I didn't break it. I don't know what happened.
Oh,
It's made out of cheap aluminum. I went to tighten it with the... I don't know what time it was. Some pliers, dude. And then I just broke it. So, just testing the suspension. The max peating rods.
Works, bro.
Anyways. Here's a little guide tutorial on how we are gonna replace the speedometer cable on an Miata. This one is a 93.
Yes.
So this should be the same on 93 NAs. 1.6, yada yada, 5-speed manual. Should be, well, this would be the same on automatic actually because we did a manual swap on this car.
No, yeah, it doesn't matter. It's I'm pretty sure for second gen NAs that the cable's a little bit different.
Right, and then
this is the first gen NAs. Woo.
Well, and then like mine is a electronic, so that's
makes it so much easier, dude.
It really does. So first, let's jack the car up in the air. So from the top, right here, guys, that's where it goes into the firewall.
Here, this bad boy.
So we're gonna start the bottom of the trans and disconnect it out of the trans so we can pull it out and figure out where it goes in here in the firewall and disconnect it in there. So if you have one still on your car, which ours is connected but at the top but broken at the bottom, shimmy my way back here. So come down to this little jumble of wires and cords and stuff, and then it would come through the PPF, and this is where it's supposed to connect. Right here. Okay, you have to unscrew this, and then come all the way back up here. So now we can just theoretically just pull this. Might be a fun pull, but
I can push it up.
I guess having two people would help. Have someone push it up as I pull it too. Oh, yeah, just go straight back there. It may be mounted. No, I don't think it is. I'm able to pull it. Yeah. Oh, it's mounted to the heater hose here. Fun. So pull this out. We just pulled it through. It just took a second with some greasy hands.
You really got to tug on it because
Might be a little greasy, dude.
It gets stuck on this thing and some of the connectors along the way.
All right. So now I'm gonna peel this guy back, and then next we're gonna take out the gauge cluster. All right. So we got a here on the side, and here on the side to hold this hood in. Take those off. Actually got one out.
So this seems to be a 5/16. That works. I'm sure there's a metric conversion, but
No, they should pull out. Be nice if we had a tilt steering wheel, but
let's just take it off.
probably just click this down, click that down, and
Take the steering wheel off.
well, since we have access, taking the steering wheel off, yes.
If you don't have access, then don't worry about it.
Yeah, I don't know how we'd do that without taking the steering wheel off, to be honest. We're lucky that airbag is just not there. All right, bolts off, and that's, you're shaking the entire car. I don't want to be in this, man. Right. Life's easy now.
I don't That's the way to do it.
That's off.
Take this piece off.
4 bolts in the back.
1, 2, 3, 4. Both. They're all. They are all Phillips.
Into the void.
Well, make sure you grab these before they fall.
Oh, hey.
Oh, nice.
Got 3, I guess.
Oh, I have a 4th. Oh.
Connectors.
Yeah. So, alright, so we got 2 connectors back here. We got a white one here. It should just pop out. And we got a black one here. It should just pop out. There we go.
Wow, we've been looking for this guy all day.
And howdy, it is broken. So, now we just gotta just disconnect this real quick.
Oh, that's just lovely shoved in here. Okay.
Yeah.
All right, so now we're just gonna remove this boot here. Like this, and it's gonna come right out, guys. So we have our new part here. Bring your new part and your old part, put them right next to each other, make sure everything lines up before trying to install.
Where'd you put the gauge cluster?
Oh, behind you. See.
Oh.
Make sure they clip
it
it.
snaps into this.
Yeah, before we get everything together, like, oh, it doesn't work. I think we have an issue.
I have an idea.
We'll be right back after these short messages. All right, guys, so we just had to take this little condom off.
Yeah, hooks right up. Let's make sure it works. Don't do this. This is illegal. We're just testing. We're going up in mileage, not down. I promise. I promise. Where'd the drill go? Right in front of me.
I'd rather know what's gonna work before.
Yeah. Cool.
You're going so fast, dude.
Yeah, look.
So now we're gonna put a rubber grommet on. How'd you? I guess that's the easier way to do it, because there's like...
There's no way to do it.
There's no way to really fit this through unless we were to take this apart. I'm assuming, because we couldn't even get it off. So, all right, that makes life simple. And there's also a different piece of plastic that we're leaving out because we couldn't get it. You know, honestly, we use the same life hack, bro.
We don't even need it, though.
I'd say we put it on. It's what came from the factory. I know it's a race car, but still. All right. Get Vashion's rubber boot. I'm gonna grab it from the inside here. This is gonna be a fun game of grab the grabby thingy and see if we can grab it. Come on. Yeah, okay. There's that. All right, ready?
Open sesame. Close sesame. All right, roll you can?
I don't want to lose grip though. Oh, it's like.
You're on there, bro. I was tugging on it. I'll push it through. You just try to get it.
All right, push it. Sweet, we're in.
Acting the mainframe. We're in.
Bro, Lester. Okay, so we're gonna leave this here. Now we're gonna go down. Have someone route this through. All right, so get your grabby thingy here.
Put it up over the top of the passenger side of the thingy.
All right, I'm gonna feed this to Ash.
That was actually really close. Don't. Yep, that's close right there.
My gosh. All right, now that we have acquired, we're gonna route it to the stock location. How much wire do I have to work with, Ashton?
You have plenty of this.
I just don't want to pull it through. That would suck.
Yeah, pull it as hard as long as you can right now. I'm holding it up here so you can't go up too far.
Okay, we have more than enough. All right, so we have it down here. We're gonna fish out this gasket maker. Be right back. All right, so audio got corrupted, but basically you're gonna take your cable, line it up with the hole I'm about to show you here in a second, because I couldn't get it at first. There's gonna be just one way it goes in, just to make sure it doesn't just freely spin in there. It's got a notch up top, as you can see right in there. So you're gonna have to line it up. All right, so we're gonna zip tie these wires together, make sure they're not gonna get in the way. And then we also had to take a gasket off of this, so we're gonna have to refill it with trans fluid, and then also make sure everything's tight down there and snug, not too tight. So we push the grommet in and zip tie it too, just to be sure, because I mean,
we cut it in half.
it's the budget build, dude. So now we're from the inside and basically reverse everything we did. But starting with this cable, we're gonna plug that into the dash, then push the dash backwards, plug in these two cables, then the 4 bolts or screws, and then the hood will be set. Alright, so now we're gonna test drive it. What? Ah!